Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how you can add this scroll to top button in your WordPress site. In this video, I am going to explain you how you can add this type of button. By clicking on this button, you can see it is taking me to the top of the page. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Now let's start creating this. So first of all, we have to go to our WordPress dashboard. Now from the dashboard we have to install a plugin, so click on this plugins and here you will find add new. Just go to this add new plugin and here in this add new plugin we are going to search the plugin name. So here you can search for scroll top. Just search here scroll top and you will get a list of plugins name. And here let's search, let's see what are the plugins name we are getting. Here you can see that we are getting a number of plugins name, and the plugin that we are going to use is this one, WP front scroll top by Syam Mohan. Just click on this install now and let's wait till this installation completed, and then we can use this plugin after that. Now here you can see that this plugin is already installed, so let's click on this activate button to activate this plugin. Once this plugin will get activate, then we can customize it. So let's wait till this plugin gets activate. So now you can see that it has redirect me to this setting, and if you will not get directly this page, then you can hover over this settings and you will find this scroll top option over there in your setting. And then here you can see that this is the settings over. Now what I need to do is I have to click on this enable. Once I will click on this enable and then increase site performance, keep it enabled. We also need to keep this JavaScript async also enabled. And once I will click on save changes, let's it get saved. Then let me refresh the page and let me show it to you whether we are getting this or not. So here you can see we are getting this scroll to top button over here. Now let me show you some of the settings. So here you can see that this is the scroll offset, where you can select the number of pixels you want to scroll for. After that, here we have this button size. So currently it is 0 pixel into 0 pixel to auto fit it, but you can also give your number of pixel you want to make your button size. Then button opacity, button fade duration, you can change all this number duration how you want to duration. These are all in milliseconds, and you can set the scroll duration also. After that, here you have this auto hide. If you want to auto hide this button over here, so you can just click on this auto hide and click on save changes, and it will auto hide the scroll option. As you can see, let's search for here, let's wait over here, auto hide after 2 seconds, and you can see now the button gets auto hide. In the same way, hide on small device, you can check mark this, because if you don't want to set this show this scroll to top button in your other devices, then you can make it like hide on small devices like this. And what is the device width, max width you want to give? So here you can see I have, it is given here 640 pixel. You can set like hide on small window, so you can also hide on small window. Then hide on WP admin. As you can see that in WP admin also it is coming, so if you don't want to see this on WP admin, then also you can hide it. Then hide on iframes, and button will hidden on iframes, usually inside pop-ups, so you can hide these button in the pop-up also. Then attach on shutdown, so enable as last resort. If button is not working, this could create a compatibility issue, you can also do. Then it is coming for the button style. So here in this button style you can use a image or the text or font awesome. So here it is image is selected, then button action, so you can set like scroll to a specific element or link to different page or scroll to top. So this is like the default action is on scroll to top, and here you can see it is working as scroll to top only. Then in this way you can also include like display on all pages, or if you want to implement it on specific page, then also you can select. Then here it comes for different button styles, and you can select any one of the image. So let's select any other different image from here. I just want to select some different image. Let me select this one and then click on save changes. So you can go to the media library and also you can import a image if you want. So let's now refresh it and let's check whether we are getting or not. So here you can see we are getting this button icon, and if you will wait for 2 seconds, then you can see the button auto hides over here. Then if I scroll, then the button appears over here, and when I click on this button, it is taking me to the top page. So this is how the scroll to top work, and with this we have completed this part. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.